They're asking the court to do something against the person who they're filing a case against, which that would be you, the respondent. You'll get put on child support today. Now you can't be today. You just showed up. And bring documents next time you get served. You have any other questions?
I'm free to go?
You are free to go. You are dismissed.
Thank you.
You are welcome. Mr. Altry?
Yes.
You brought this case before the court. What's going on? Well, you didn't bring this case before the court. She didn't show up. You were served to be here, looks like.
Well, she knew what she had to do.
It looked like she wanted you to pay child support.
Things happen.
And you showed up today. I mean, typically the person who files it is the one that shows up to court. I appreciate you being here.
Okay.
The courtroom was expecting fireworks, but the woman who filed the case was nowhere to be seen. Mr. Autry stood confused, accused, and completely alone. Why did she vanish after demanding child support? The judge is puzzled, the mood is tense, and something just doesn't add up. What is she hiding, and why did she want him here without showing up herself? Stay tuned, this is just getting started.
I mean, typically the person who files it is the one that shows up to court. I appreciate you being here.
Okay.
Without her actually being here to say what her relief is, I can't grant it.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Pretty much.
You understand what I'm saying, right?
Not really.
In other words, the person who files the case, they're the petitioner. They're asking the court to do something against the person who they're filing a case against, which that would be you, the respondent.
Okay.
Tension rises as the judge explains a critical rule without the woman present. No judgment can be made. Mr. Autry doesn't fully understand what's happening, and confusion fills the room. The law requires the accuser to appear, so why didn't she? Is this a setup or something more sinister? One thing is clear, justice can't be served if the key player refuses to show. But wait, what happens next will shift everything.
They're asking the court to do something against the person who they're filing a case against, which that would be you, the respondent.
Okay.
In order for the judge to grant any type of request that the petitioner may have made, they would have to be here to present their case. And it doesn't look like you filed anything today, you just showed up.
Right.
Shock hits the courtroom, the judge confirms it. Mr. Autry didn't file a thing, but he still came. Meanwhile, the woman who wanted action, silent and absent. No evidence, no testimony. Just a mystery in the making. What was her real motive? Was this a calculated move to trap him later? The truth is buried under missing paperwork, and it's about to get deeper.
Today, you just showed up.
Right.
So, I mean, unfortunately, I can't move forward with whatever she was. It looked like she was wanting to put you on child support, so it doesn't look like you'll get put on child support today. Now you can't be served at a later date and come back and be placed on child support, but for whatever reason, she didn't want to put you on child support today.
Just got to make sure I got a job, huh?
And bring documents next time you get served.
In a surprising turn, the judge rules no child support for Mr. Autry, at least, not today. But the warning is clear. She can refile, he can be served again, and next time, it could all change. Mr. Autry realizes he'll need a job and his financial records in order. Is this just a delay in the storm, or a calm before everything collapses? The next move could cost him everything.
And bring documents next time you get served.
And what documents are those?
Like financial documents.
Okay.
Because
check stubs?
Check stubs, your W-2, if you have 1099s, anything like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay?
All right.
You have any other questions?
I'm free to go?
You are free to go. You are dismissed.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
You have a good day, Judge.
Oh, you too.
Mr. Autry is dismissed, walking out without judgment but not without warning. The judge reminds him, next time, bring your pay stubs, W-2 South, or 1099s. This was just a preview. If she returns, the real battle begins. Today he walks free, but tomorrow could bring a tidal wave of legal consequences. Want more real courtroom drama? Like, comment your thoughts, and subscribe for more. Because next time, the stakes could be even higher.